Let's talk about gender equality. If you care about it, you should care about the Supreme Court. Here's why. Right now, we're at a make-or-break moment. The Supreme Court could turn back the clock on rights recognized for women decades ago by giving in to the ultra-conservative extremists that are threatening our constitutional rights. The Supreme Court has made critical decisions determining women's rights to equal protection under the law. The court decides whether women have access to abortion, whether an employer can fire a woman or pay her less just because of her gender, and whether we have legal recourse to fight sexual harassment. In 1973, the Supreme Court determined that the constitutional right to privacy applies to personal choices about our bodies. The ruling reaffirmed that women, not politicians, can make our own reproductive choices. Earlier this year, the court had to stand up for women once more against state legislatures trying to restrict that right. But any progress we've made could vanish depending on the makeup of the next court. In fact, we've already been warned. When Lilly Ledbetter went up against her employer, Goodyear, for paying her less than men doing the same job, she lost. When Hobby Lobby wanted to impose their religious objections on employees to cut off coverage for women's health care, women lost. But it doesn't have to be this way. Right now, we're at a tipping point. The future of the Supreme Court hangs in the balance. There's already one vacancy, and in the next 4 years, there could be many more. Presidents serve for 4-year terms. Supreme Court justices serve for life. Will we have a court that respects the constitutional values of liberty, equality, and justice for all? Or one that thinks they can make our choices for us? Remember, the justices that join the court in the next few years will determine what the Constitution means for the rest of your life. If you care about women, reproductive rights, and equal opportunity, then you should care about the future of the Supreme Court. You should be paying attention. You have a voice. Use it.